What's up, everybody? It's Nate with Sonic Electronix. I am with the Harley expert at Rockford Fosgate, Mr. Christian. Christian has been doing Harleys for 24 years. I don't even ride Harley, so he's going to teach us all about what Rockford's been doing since day one in the Harley business for aftermarket audio. These guys are the pioneers of Harley Davidson, loud, awesome speakers, technology for Harleys. And I'm going to tell you something. We're going to show you something today that's going to blow your mind. It's going to make it so much easier for you new Harley owners that are on the 24s and 25s and up to add aftermarket audio. Christian, take it away.
Absolutely. So this is the all-new 24 Plus kit. What you're looking at laid out on this table is a stage 3 kit. You're going to have a 1,000-watt TMA digital amplifier. So this amplifier takes A to B directly. Will only take a digital signal. That way there's no converters, there's no magic black boxes. You remove a factory amplifier and install this amplifier. Just like all of our amplifiers, it has constant power, so it will run up to 8 4-ohm speakers. On the install kit, you have model-specific amp mount, but the beauty of this kit is all 8 speaker locations are pre-wired for you. So once you take that fairing in your gas tank off, you can upgrade by simply just popping a seal cap, plug it in, and off you go. The amp is completely controlled by app, so we have pre-configured DSP tunes for
awesome.
these setups. Yes.
For each vehicle is
correct. So you simply open the app, boom. This is what I have, bang boom, Bob's your uncle.
That's awesome. I have a few questions for you.
Sure.
So when it comes to like a DIY or a DIFM, guy's first time doing
Absolutely.
this install, what should they expect from a time standpoint to install this whole thing?
Okay, so if we were doing just fairing audio,
yeah.
Let's say you are, we'll say on a scale of 1 to 10 DIY guy, you're a 2, right?
2 being terrible or 2 being?
2 being like, I have just enough tools to be dangerous.
Got it.
And I'm gonna,
that's probably me.
And I'm gonna watch the YouTube video like 12 times.
Yes.
2 hours at max.
That's awesome. And so I think it's a good time to stop and just perspective sharing with all you viewers out there and all of our fans that are Rockford Fosgate fans, and maybe you're new to Rockford Fosgate, you've been with us for a long time, maybe you're new to Sonic. At the end of the day, one of the reasons why we partner with a company like Rockford Fosgate, love selling their gear, is not only do they have the most extensive, not only are they the innovators in Harley audio, these guys make it super simple for you to enjoy amazing quality. And one of the things we were talking about with the A to B, I don't want to let it fall on deaf ears. The A to B harness that we're seeing and selling for all these other amps that are out there that are micro amps that don't have the A to B technology.
Correct.
You're talking about $500, $700, sometimes $1,200 you'll see on other websites.
Correct. Just to get a signal.
Harness and signal.
Yes.
They haven't tuned it, they haven't done anything. These guys make it so stinking easy. You buy the one kit, like he's saying, you load it off the app,
yep,
and you're good to go. Is there any sort of crazy registration
nope.
or having to flatten your signal with a tool?
Nope.
None of that needed.
Nope,
right?
it's done.
And so, I mean, I'm blown away by that. And this is all new for this year.
Correct, this is all new. This cut-in kit also brand new. So we started off the motorcycle industry with the first cut-in kit available 2017. This took that idea to the next level, where currently what you're seeing is an undermount speaker. This bucket, which is gasketed all the way around this perimeter, drops in from the top of the bag. The saddlebag itself is sitting in a U-channel, so now you're sealed here. This backer marries it and centers it from the bottom. 6 fasteners that are all O-ring then attach the 2 pieces together. Your speaker top loads in it, and this grill is sealed by 4 O-rings in its mounting position. So not only are you completely sealed, but we were able to take a much larger speaker, move it higher up the saddlebag to take up less room.
Yeah, so you still get some storage.
Correct. Oh yeah.
The other uses
Plenty.
out of it. Yeah, that's great. And for me, watching this video, or doing this video, I should say, for you watching this video, can you explain to us this is the HD3, the HD Stage 3 kit that's what we're calling it. And in terms of like all of this, you get all of this with the one, or is there different models here that we should
so you're going to get, in a Stage 2 kit in general, you're going to get 6.5 fairing speakers, the amp, the install kit, and then it's going to come with both grills, Road Glide and Street Glide, depending on which model you have.
And so for all you viewers that are out there watching or learning about Harley audio systems for the first time, when we say things like stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, and all the way up, and even with our Rockford Fosgate UTV lineup that they make, you know, the higher stage you get, the more drivers you're getting, the more sound you're getting.
You're absolutely right.
That stage 3, you're going to add the 6x9.
Yep.
Right?
So now with stage 3, we're going to go to the cut-in lid kit with the 6x9.
Same amp still.
This all stays the same, and the beauty of it is, let's say you dipped your toes in the pool, you started at stage 2, right?
City,
and you
baby.
decided, I want to upgrade. No big deal. Everything's pre-wired. So now you're just going to buy the Saddlebag lid cut-in kit, and then all of your wiring's just going to be directly under your seat for easy installation. Go in the app, change your tune, and you're done.
That was the next question I was going to say. So you have profiles. So when the user gets this from us, they're going to want to make sure they choose the right stage, obviously.
Yeah.
And then they choose the right bike, and that's all you have to do. I'm going to be honest with you. We sell other solutions, and I love selling different solutions for different people on different budgets. This is a really premium system. But all the other solutions, it's just that one step, that one level more of having to tune it, having to put an oscilloscope on it, having to do something for you, set your gains, whatever the case may be, either by ear or through the oscilloscope. And I think like when you look at what Rockford's doing and making it, and I don't want to say dummy proof, but truly that level of DIY, I mean.
We've always looked at it, our ongoing joke internally is that when you go buy a sound bar for your TV at home, the reason everybody loves the sound bar is I plug it in and it does what it does.
Yeah, it gets good. It's
right. And even if you got a really fancy one and you have a Sonus and you run it through the setup, it does what it does. We're in the solution-based market, right? And the key is not to just build. You could build a lot of great car audio speakers, and that's how this all started, was converting traditional core audio speakers onto motorcycles. These are built specifically to go on a motorcycle.
Can I ask you, I want to capture one more thing with our video here. So just to be clear, when you're going on our website and you're looking at this, if you wanted to start with the HD24 Stage 2, you can. And what he's saying is later on you come back and say, I just want to have the HD24 BL69s, and that's all you got to do to turn it into a Stage 3. Or you can start obviously with the Stage 3. The last thing I wanted to kind of capture with this new kit, and I think it's current technology, you can correct me if I'm wrong on this, but I wanted to talk a little bit about the speakers and the tweeters, because I personally love to just learn from the experts.
Sure.
So go ahead and share with us.
So these are coaxial point source speakers, right? You have a polypropylene cone, so it's completely waterproof. Same thing, tweeter, completely waterproof. The magic is in that 6.5, you have a large neodymium magnet, and then around it is an actual heat sink to pull heat away from the magnet itself. In the 6x9, not only do you have a main neodymium magnet, but you have a bucking magnet inside of it for extra force. Same thing, polypropylene cone, sealed tweeter.
That's awesome. And then the other thing that we want to capture too in here is from me just being a Rockford dealer for so long, is the vast technology also finds its way onto these speakers. So when you're watching this video and you're looking at these guys versus, let's say, some other motorcycle Harley speakers that are out there, keep in mind that you're going to have, what, 25% surface area improvement? So the bass that you're going to get, whether you're parking lot pimping or driving, you're going to be able to hear a lot 100%. More.
And then both this 6.5 and the 6x9 does retrofit backwards to the 14 Plus. They are offered by themselves.
We'll go ahead and walk over and do a second video. Christian, thanks so much.